What if starting a digital business did not have to be confusing, expensive, or complicated? Fast Money Marion here, and today I'm showing you the easy way to start a digital business from scratch. A digital business is a business you can run mostly online. You can sell services, digital products, templates, guides, coaching, content, or online help. By the end of this video, you'll know how to choose a simple idea, find a problem, create an offer, set up your online presence, and start taking action.
You do not need a physical store, a warehouse, inventory, or a big team to start. You can begin with a laptop, phone, internet, and a simple plan.
The biggest mistake is thinking your digital business has to be big from day one. Start small, test simple ideas, and improve as you learn.
Beginners often get stuck because there are too many options. Digital products, freelancing, affiliate marketing, coaching, YouTube, AI tools, and online stores can all feel overwhelming. If you chase every idea, you may finish none of them. The easy way is to choose one path, one audience, and one problem to solve. You do not need a perfect business plan. You need a simple plan you can actually follow. Listen to complaints. When people say, "I do not have time," "I do not know how," or "I wish this was easier," they are showing you possible business ideas. After you choose the problem, ask who needs this solution the most. Is it beginners, creators, small business owners, job seekers, parents, students, or freelancers? If you try to help everybody, your message becomes weak. A specific audience helps your business feel clear and easier to trust. For example, instead of saying, "I help people with content," say, "I help small business owners create simple posts for the week." Use this formula. I help this person solve this problem so they can get this result. Now create your simple offer. Your offer is the solution you sell and the result the customer gets. I help beginners organize their weekly budget so they can understand where their money is going. I help new creators plan 30 content ideas so they can stop staring at a blank screen. I help small business owners update their Google business profile so local customers can trust them faster. The fastest way to start is often a digital service. You can write, design, edit, organize, research, manage content, set up tools, or help someone online. You can also create a simple digital product like a checklist, template, guide, planner, spreadsheet, or mini class. Do not build the biggest version first. Start with the simplest version that helps someone get a useful result.
You do not need a fancy website on day one. Start with a simple profile that explains who you help, what problem you solve, and how people can contact you.
Post helpful content around the problem you solve. Share tips, mistakes, examples, stories, and simple steps that show people you understand their problem. Make the next step easy. Tell people to message you, comment a keyword, click your link, book a call, or download your offer. Your first goal is not perfection. Your first goal is a signal. A comment, a message, a question, a sign up, or a first sale tells you people are interested.
Use feedback to improve. Make your message clearer, your offer simpler, and your next step easier. That is how a digital business grows.
You do not need to have everything figured out to start a digital business. Choose one problem, one audience, one offer, and one simple next step. This helped you like the video if you are ready to start from scratch.